Pikeville Medical Center is rallying the community together to help support those who lost everything during deadly flooding in eastern Kentucky. Kansas Justice joins us now from Pikeville Medical Center to talk about a telethon and ways that everyone can help on Thursday. Great to see you.
Great to see you too, Susan.
Yeah, well, tell us about the PMC Foundation and its response to the recent flood.
The PMC's foundation has been a critical part in the recent flooding in our area. On Thursday, we are hosting more than just a telethon. It will be a resource, educational activity for our flood victims. It will highlight FEMA and what you need to do to apply. If you've lost important documents, what to do with that. Also, other community partners that are here in supporting the flood victims and how they can get in touch with them. We really think providing everyone with resources right now is what is needed. So we're doing that, but there will also be a chance for those that want to donate to donate. So, of course, that is a key aspect also. PMC is also highly engaged in making sure the medical needs of our population is met. We're out with the health department giving tetanus shots. You can find those locations at the health department's Facebook page. We're also offering those at our outpatient pharmacy and all of our primary care locations. So we just want everyone to take care of themselves and know that we are here as a resource for them.
Oh, wow. And you were mentioning the tetanus shots and some of the many things you all are doing right now. This has to kind of align with your overall mission at PMC and the foundation.
Absolutely. The foundation's mission is to support incentives that help the overall health and well-being of our community. We want to improve the quality of life here in eastern Kentucky. So, of course, when we're in a crisis, this is a perfect time for us to reach out and help and support.
And I know your thoughts and your focus is on the people in your community, but how did the flooding affect Pikeville Medical Center and the services you all provide?
At Pikeville Medical Center, we were extremely blessed that none of our facilities were damaged in the flooding, so we have remained completely operational at our main hospital facility and also at our clinics and outpatient service areas. But our hearts go out to all of our employees and patients that have suffered this devastating loss. We just want them to know that we are here and we are open to provide the much needed health care that's needed for our region right now.
And when we see footage like we're looking at right now, everybody they want to help in times of need like this. So talk to us how we can stay informed about the PMC Foundation flood relief efforts and get involved and donate.
There is up-to-date information available on our hospital website at www.pikevillehospital.org. Also on our foundation website at givetopmc.org. We are also keeping our social media platforms updated. Our Facebook pages and Instagrams with all of that key information on how people can donate. We also have a direct line to the PMC Foundation, and they can be reached at 606-430-3515.
Lots of ways to help out. Any final thoughts, any final comments as we're talking about the flooding, the cleanup, which will go on really for a long time?
Just want to remind the public that PMC is here to support you. We do have those resource pages available. We also have some funding available through the PMC Foundation. Just that we are here for them. Also, I want to give a huge thank you to all of the supporters, the people that have volunteered, the people that have donated, and all of the organizations that have came into our region to support our flood victims.
And remind us one more time about the flood relief fundraiser going on Thursday. When and where can we watch?
Yes, there are several media outlets, including WSAC, will be streaming the event Thursday, February 27th from 6 to 8 p.m. And if you want to give prior to that, please visit our website at www.pikevillehospital.org.
Yeah, well, Kansas, thank you so much for talking about all of this and letting us know how we can help.
We appreciate your time, Susan, and we definitely appreciate the support of the event. Thank you.